The learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Maseches Nedarim, Perek Aleph, Mishna Aleph. Kol kinoi Nedarim k'Nedarim, v'charamim k'charamim, v'shuos k'shavuos, u'naziris k'naziris. A kinoi, meaning that you didn't say the word neder, you used a different word, which we're going to learn in Mishna Bay's different examples of what that is like Nedarim. And the same thing by charamim, by shvuos, and naziris. Ha'omer lechaveroi mudrani mimcha, mufreshani mimcha, mufrekani mimcha, she'eni leichelach, she'eni toyam lach, aser. So the Gemara explains that these are not examples of kinuyim, and you have to stick into the Mishnah that yadais nedarim k'nedarim as well, and this is example of yadais. What is a yad? A yad is that you only said part of it and you didn't complete it. The Ran gives that the mashal, a case of neder would be that you said that harei alai, that this thing is asar me like a carbon, and over here you didn't say k'carbon, or you used the word iser, and over here you didn't use the word iser. So what did you say? So here the Mishnah is giving me examples. So the way you read it is mudrani mimach, and then you said she'eni oichelach, or you said she'eni tayamlach. So it's a neder, I'm mother from you, and then you said that I will not eat you, or you said I will not taste you. And the second example is you said mufreshani mimcha. You said mufreshani mimcha, and after that you said either she'eni oichelach, or you said she'eni tayamlach. And the third example is you said murchakani mimcha, I'm distancing myself from you. And then afterwards you said she'eni oilach, eni oichelach, she'eni toyamlach. In all these cases, they're yadais, even though you didn't say the word kikarbon, you didn't use a word of iser, still they're aser. Menuda anilach, Rabbi Akiva yichaychich bezeh lahachmer. Rabbi Akiva put his lips together to be machmer, but he didn't say it straight out because the Gemara says that he held that there would be no malchus in this case. Kinidre rishaim, if he prefaced his words, his neder, by starting off Kinidre rishaim, so then nodar ben nazir ubikarbin ubishvua. So the case of nazir would be that he says Kinidre rishaim hareini, and there was a nazir walking by him, so then he would be a nazir because the rishaim, their derech is that they make nedarim. If the carbon, the example of carbon is that he says harei alai, and he started off with this kinidre risham, and there was a behemoth in front of him, so then it has halacha that it's also like a neder. And the shvua would be that he started off again kinidre risham, and he says heimenu, which is a lashon of shvua, and the kikar was in front of him, so then it would be aser. But if he said kinidre kesherim in all these three examples, then lo yomar klum, because kesherim don't make nedarim. Kinidvaisam, but if he says nidvaisam, so then nader ben nazir will be carbon. So then by nazir and by carbon, he will be aser, because kesherim do make nidavas. But by shvua, even kesherim never make shvua, so by shvua you're not going to be aser, only by a case of nazir and carbon. The Ran asks a question, why are we bringing in nedarim bechal legabe naziris? Because by naziris there's no chiluk between a neder or a nedava, and he explains that over here in the context of this mission, nedava just means someone's giving belev shalim, and that's the derech of a kasher that they give belev shalim, and that's why over there it would be chal.